Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. You had the risk appetite sort of bouncing back today after that bloodbath on Monday, light volume. And listen, we've been talking about it in the Morning Express. We talked about it to clients last week and on Monday as well, that it is very typical to see lows and highs being put in on those low volume trading hours or holiday sessions, and short term at least. And that's what we're seeing here. The S&P, crude oil both fell out of bed on Monday. There was just no buying that wanted to step in and defend the position, but we are bouncing back here today. Now, on our Morning Express for the S&P and crude oil, we have our first major 3-star resistance levels. The market is pushing out above them right now. Watch these into the close. You can get a close out above them here today, and that's very constructive for the week and should lead to further buying. Now, we have a lot of critical levels out there, but a close out above there today, the first session back from that bloodbath on Monday, should help sentiment and should help a little bit of consolidation and keep this momentum up through year end. Now, remember, we are going to be in a quite a tumultuous environment heading into 2019, so be careful. And listen, these rallies are going to be sharp if this is going to be a true bear market. You're going to get those sharp rallies that make you think that it's all over. But the resistance levels have failed for weeks now. So just because we're getting out of one and we're going to neutralize this weakness, you're going to get some momentum. But we got to remember the current landscape, and there still is a very, very questionable environment fundamentally, and there's a lot of technical damage across the board. So moving on though to something that has not had that technical damage, it's gold. We've been so bullish gold over the past couple of weeks, and this is the time of year that you want to be buying gold. If you bought gold December 23rd and you've held it through January 11th, you've made money 14 out of the last 16 years, averaging about $30. But we're not buying gold today. We're actually taking profits or managing the risk on the board for gold. Today, after this run, we talked about in the Morning Express, lock something in, whether that's selling a call against your futures or buying a put to protect the downside or just taking your money off the table outright. Give us a call. We're here to help talk about this, but pullbacks should be buying opportunities. We are licking our chops, waiting for a pullback in gold, waiting for a pullback in treasuries. If the equity market, the risk appetite expands in some of those markets, the equities, crude oil, and others, then you can see a little bit of profit taking come out in gold and the treasuries, and there's going to be a buying opportunity here in the coming days. So be prepared for that. Give us a call. We're here to talk about anything on the board. 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. You can check our website for updates, and you can sign up for a free trial of research there. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Thank you.